some of y'all might get with this, and some of y'all won't, but listen. Let me clear my throat. Oh! Have mercy, baby. I hope you don't mind. Let me clear my throat. Let me dedicate one to everybody here in Bahama Bay.
Don't stop dancing.
Here we go now. Check it out. To the rhythm of the funky vibe, so I can get this just one more time to the beat, and you don't quit. Let's try those school guys with that new school hit. See the pipe, pick the flip up, the cool got the right, and I can still flip up the house. Every goddamn time I get on the mic, I go crazy. These are the single flex and they're lazy. I bet you never knew, but now you know.
Do a cool dance move.
Now I'ma rock around with the greatest of these.
Alright, Red Foo.
And if you don't like it, you grab on these. And now I need some help for the right, so please. Yeah. So look at here. Check the flavor of the rhythm I wrote. And while I get a chance here, let me clear my throat.